Today, I'll walk you through how to create and send a purchase order in Xero, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to efficiently manage your purchase orders so you can streamline your procurement process. To get started, sign into your Xero account. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero often updates its interface to enhance user experience. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top menu. Here you'll find the Purchases tab. Click on it and select Purchase Orders from the drop-down menu. This is your gateway to managing all your purchase orders in Xero. Now let's create a new purchase order. Click on the New Purchase Order button. Think of this as drafting a shopping list for your business needs. You'll need to select a supplier from your contacts. If you haven't added them yet, you can do so on the fly. Enter the required order information, which includes details like the order date and delivery address. Next, it's time to add the products or services you wish to purchase. This step is akin to filling your shopping cart. Make sure to specify quantities and prices accurately. Once you've added all necessary items, take a moment to review the purchase order details. Ensuring everything is correct at this stage can save you from potential headaches later on. When you're satisfied with the information, click Approve to finalize the purchase order. This is like sealing the deal, confirming that everything is ready to go. After approval, you have the option to share the purchase order with your supplier. You can do this by selecting either email or send. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Xero is processing your request to ensure everything is sent correctly. Finally, you can track the status of your purchase order from the Purchase Orders list. This feature is your control tower, giving you an overview of all your orders and their current statuses. And that's how to create and send a purchase order in Xero. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.